Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me here for this very special 1-year happy anniversary video. Happy anniversary. Thank you so much for being here. It has officially been 1 whole year since I started this channel, and I just want to say happy anniversary to you, to me, to this lovely community that we're building here. Now, in the past year, because of you, I have grown this channel from nothing to 6,000 subscribers, almost 7, nearly 200 videos. If I count those on Patreon, I'm over that little hurdle. Here on YouTube, I think I'm right at or right about to be at 200, and I have something like 365,000 views and 35,000 hours of watch time on my channel, and that just seems bonkers. And it really is because of you that I have continued to make content, that I have continued to grow this channel, and it's because of your support that I have, reached these pretty awesome heights, at least I think to myself. And I just want to take a moment to talk about how proud I am of you for joining me all the time, and honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself as well. So, yay for us, yay for this little anniversary. Now, it might be surprising to some of you that I have only had my channel for a year. I know some of you have been taking classes with me live or online longer than this because I have worked with other channels in the past. But last year, when the pandemic started, I got laid off and I was pretty sad and gloomy at home, and I needed to keep my spirits up, and so I started this channel. So I started with this idea that I needed to do something to keep myself positive, to keep myself moving and grooving, but I've continued this channel because of the love and support I've received from you. Over the course of the past year, so many people have reached out to me to say thank you, to tell me what a positive environment I've created for them at home to continue to build strength, to continue to build self-care and self-love, and I am so grateful and thankful for you out there. Whether you know it or not, you have made a massive difference in my own life, and again, it's because of you that I've continued along this journey, and I have no intention of stopping whatsoever. Some of you have already done this, but one of the things I truly love about this channel, this community, is hearing from you. Now, you might think to yourself, Kate just, does whatever she wants to whenever she turns on the camera, and occasionally, sometimes, sure, I do what's feeling good in my body today, but I often create videos with a viewer in mind. If you've left me messages here on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, you've sent me an email, I take all of those into consideration when I'm creating my classes. Now, the more that you tell me what you want, the more I can help you. So I've created a little survey that I would really love it if you'd take the time to fill out. No big deal if you don't want to do the whole thing or you don't want to do it at all, but if you're looking for more personalized classes, if you think that I'm not hitting something on the body, or maybe there's an injury that you really want to focus on, I would be happy to hear from you. Now, I can't promise that I will make exactly what you want, but know that I take all of the feedback I receive from you so incredibly closely to the heart. Everything I do is, with you in mind, and it's my goal that this channel is all about helping you. So I want you to help me help you make these videos even better. There's a link in the description below if you want to fill out that survey, and I would love to hear from you. If you don't want to fill out a survey, no big deal whatsoever. I totally get it. We're all busy out there. You can always leave comments here. I might not always respond to them. It's hard for me to get to every little piece of social media, but I do read everything you send to me, whether it's an email, a Facebook message, a Instagram message, or a comment here. I do take it all to heart, and I love to hear from you. If you don't know, I do have a private Facebook group that I started a couple months back, and it is a beautiful community of supportive students of mine. We've been talking more about self-care things, lots of opportunities to ask questions, to get a little bit more one-on-one time sometimes. It's just nice to have other people to bounce ideas off of. If you haven't joined, I'll have a link to the description below as well. Now, anniversaries to me are a time to look back at the progress you've made. Whether you did start with me a year ago or 2 years ago, or you started with me last month, it can be nice to pause, to take a moment, to think about all the progress you've made in your life. I am so proud of you, and I am so grateful that you continue to join me here. I really do hope you give yourself little pats on the back after every class, and I want you to know that I am here to support your progress however I can. I'd also like to say I'm pretty darn proud of myself after the past year. It's with your help, it's with your support that I have been able to grow this channel, that I have learned so many new skills. I am definitely not a techie person, and it's been a fun, challenging year to kind of figure out all of those odds and ends. I look back at my first video and I think, wow, I have done a lot better in that year. And I certainly hope that in a year from now, 2 years from now, I look back and I think, wow, I've learned so much. So no matter what you want to look in your life and kind of think about these little moments of progress, it's always nice to pause, to take that time, and really give yourself the credit that you deserve. I am very, very proud of you for all of the progress you've made. I am so happy that you're here, and I hope you keep making progress with me as we continue growing this channel a little bit bigger. I just want to say a great big, beautiful, heartfelt thank you to all of my patrons out there. My progress would not have been as quick without them. If you don't know, Patreon is an account or is a platform where you can support the creators in your life that you get value from. Some of my patrons just donate on a monthly basis because they really do appreciate the value and the content that I put out. Some donate a little bit more and they get longer videos. They get more content. If that's something that you're interested in, I would greatly appreciate any support from you. To all of my patrons out there, thank you. I am blown away by the generosity from some of you out there, or from all of you out there, and know that it's because of you I've been able to upgrade some of my things, get new mics and stuff, and again, hopefully just make the videos, make the content here a little bit better for you. So know that no matter how little, how much you donate, you have touched me. You have made a huge impact on my life, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to everyone watching this video. And again, happy anniversary to you. I am so excited that we can continue to build this very supportive and loving community together. Hey there, my friend. Hey friend. Hey friend. Hey friend. Hey friend. And it's about bigger and beautiful, lovely things. Ugh. Now, oh, 100 mark. I have something like 6, stop saying, go, stop saying no,